What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Misterceptor here with another video. So let's get to it. I know that it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've been working on the bike for some time now. If you've seen my other clips, you'll know that the bike has transformed a lot over the years. I first started off making it into a tracker. After that build was complete, I thought that I'd change things up a bit. So I made it into a cafe racer. I know what you're gonna say. Why didn't you just buy the Continental GT? Well, that would just be too easy, wouldn't it? I'm just playing around with some designs and trying to see what I can do with the Interceptor, as well as hone my skills as a builder and fabricator in the process. So thank you for bearing with me. Well, once the cafe build was complete, I thought that I would really put the bike to the test. As you all know, the Interceptor 650 is a great bike for customization, a blank canvas if you will. So I just had to try and make it into a Scrambler. Yes, you heard that right. I'm sorry it took this long, but as promised, I give you the Interceptor Scrambler 650. So let's see whether the bike actually functions like a Scrambler. I tried to see whether the Interceptor could handle uneven roads. Now that the bike has some adventure tires on it, I'm gonna see if it's capable of handling some unpaved roads. It's actually performing better than I anticipated. As expected, the suspension's not that great for off-road use, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I actually think that I can have some real fun on this kind of terrain. I know that there are more things that I can do to this bike to improve the off-road performance, but I think that I'm going to leave it as it is, at least for now. As always, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I put a full list of changes I've made to the bike in the description. If you found this video helpful in any way, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for similar content. If there's something specific you want to see, let me know as well. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Commodore. Ngayon.
काय कुठे